What's going on? So today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Police Teach Entitled 19-Year-Old a Lesson She'll Never Forget. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually are talking about here.
On July 14th, 2025, officers responded to a call of a young woman causing a disturbance in a residential community.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good. How are you? What's going on?
I don't know. I'm sleeping. I have a baby in the house, and I hear knocking on the door. I
Right.
guess the girl wants to get in touch with my friend who's sleeping. Living around here like a maniac. She almost ran over my foot or something. I asked her if she wanted water to calm down. She's banging on the doors. Everybody's coming out to see what's going on. She's not allowed on the property. The homeowner is actually leaving work right now to come here to deal with this. She's sleeping. I guess they hung out last night. She got drunk. She had nowhere to go. She ended up sleeping there.
Is that her right there?
Yes. She was supposed to leave, but she's back to her. I don't know, but I was sleeping. I just had surgery. I'm not even supposed to be out here. But she's being very disruptive. And like zooming off, going around the corner, almost hitting a car. She still hasn't left. She's mad at her because she left her there sleeping, and she was drunk, and she woke up and didn't know where she was because she couldn't drive home. So that's kind of what's going on.
How old is she? 19. Okay. And do you know this female?
They used to date, and she just showed up while she was sleeping and told her, "You can't be here." She wouldn't listen. She kept banging on the door. I said, "I have a baby sleeping in here."
I told her that too. I was like, listen, like, you know.
What's her name?
Gabby.
Gabriella?
Yeah.
26. Good morning. Gabriella? Is that correct? Yep. What's going on this morning?
So
You
basically.
stop right there. You stop right there.
Oh, sorry. They didn't know I looked harmless, but this is the second time you made me come over here just to. Can you not record me?
I'm not recording you at all.
Okay, can you stop pointing the phone at me? Because if you were in a position like this, I wouldn't do it to you.
Okay.
Okay, Gabriella, what's going on this morning?
This is the second time you told me to drive away, and but I live in Miami. I drive here. I woke up in my car. I'm hanging out with her.
Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath so I can understand what you're saying. Okay, slow down. Take a deep breath.
In my car by myself, asleep in the neighborhood. Like, you don't do that shit to people. She lives with me. I would have never.
Okay, take a deep breath.
I never left her on the street like that. Now she's talking shit. I don't understand. Bro, I don't understand what I did to you.
Gabriella, how did we get here this morning?
I was with her.
When? Take a deep breath. Relax.
No, I can't relax.
Okay, I need you to take a deep breath so I can understand what you're saying. How did you end up here? Did she drive you here? Okay.
She drove me here and now she's calling the cops on me.
Okay. When did you get here?
I don't know. Do you know?
You were too up. I drove you here after you got drunk and you were leaning over in the car. I parked the car and I said, Gabby, lock the door. I have to go to sleep. I went inside. I couldn't even bring you inside. I got in trouble for how late I got here. I never told you could come and spend the night.
So the two of you went out together last night? Okay. So after you went out last night, what happened?
I wake up in my by myself.
Okay. Were you guys drinking? Were you using drugs?
Are
Gabby.
you good, bro?
Gabby, I'm
Why
speaking
are
to
you
you.
acting all like
Gabby.
brand new?
Gabby.
Mom?
Gabby, I don't think you are able to drive. So if you get behind the wheel of your car, you're going to have a problem.
I'm confused. I ain't gonna lie to you. Who drove who? Who car is it? Is it the black girl car or the white girl car? Because the way that the story is being told to me from the Gabriella is saying that the black chick drove her down here. She from Miami. The black chick drove her down here and left her type. That's the vibe that Gabriella's talking about. But she got the car key. The Gabriella got the car keys. So if it's her car, why she just don't drive back? Like, I'm so confused, man. And why nobody got no shoes on? Do nobody believe in shoes around here? Like, I just see open toes everywhere.
Is that, I'm sorry?
I don't see anything on the cameras.
Gabby, stop. She's recording. That's fine. She's allowed to record. Okay, Gabby, you need to pull over, please. Because there's been advised that you crashed into the mailboxes.
I didn't crash.
Okay, well, we're going to review the video. So, and I don't think that you're in any condition to be driving. So I want you to pull over and get out of the car, please. Watch yourself. Watch yourself. Okay, Gabby, step out.
I'm not gonna step out with the
Car.
no.
Gabby. She already knows.
Hey, you got a window punch?
No. Oh. Gabby.
Oh, it's about to go
If
down.
you don't roll this window down, we're gonna bust your window.
Bust the window on the BMW.
Gabby.
Ooh, wait.
Roll your window down.
We're going to break your window. We are going to break your window.
Is the car in park? Okay. Is the car in park?
What are you
Step
doing?
out.
I'm not gonna step out. What the f is wrong with you, dumbass people, bro?
Gabby.
No, I'm not stepping out. What the f is wrong with you? You're not getting me out. What the f is wrong with you? I'm not doing
You're
anything.
not. Get out of the vehicle.
I'm not getting out of the vehicle. You're so loud to me.
Yep. On the ground you go. Ooh. Ooh. Woo-hoo. Ripping the shirt like Hulk Hogan. Hold on now.
Yo, you suck.
They're gonna get you together, boy. What you thought this was?
I didn't even do anything.
I got it. I got it.
I didn't even do anything.
Damn, my boy buff, boy.
Stay out of the vehicle. Stay out of the vehicle.
Where you going?
My phone.
Yep.
You guys like this. You get a power trip because nobody else in your life makes you feel special.
Sorry you feel that way.
Yeah, you over here.
Nah, I know karma's gonna get you guys. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Not worried.
Damn, my boy eating his spinach, boy. See
I
my
have one, luckily for me.
Don't you worry.
Woo.
What happened to your mother then?
For this?
Sure do.
Yeah. I wasn't here.
Do you have anything on you that's going to stick me?
No dumbass.
Do you have anything on you that's going to stick
I said no dumbass. No dumbass. You not here?
Well, you going to
I
jail
didn't
today?
finish my statement.
Alright, take me to jail then.
Okay. Whose car is this? Oh,
Can you guard her legs, please?
Wait. Whose car is this? Wait, hold on. Cause this is the part that I've been trying to. I want to know who car it is.
You not here?
Well, you going to
I
jail
didn't
today?
finish my statement.
Alright, take me to jail then.
Okay. Whose car is this? Oh,
Can you guard her legs, please?
Okay, it's her car. So it's all right. It's Gabriella's car. It's the white girl car. All right. So what's the big deal? Drive your ass home. Damn, boy. That was her ex. Damn, that hey. Hey, that Punani got her hooked, boy. Hey, we gotta call it like we see it, right down the middle, boy. Hey, that black girl Punani, the cat, the kitty cat, meow, got Gabriella hooked, boy. That must be the hottest thing that hit the streets. Got her acting like this. Boy, oh boy.
Lady. Oh, what? I hope it happens to your daughter.
He's a teenager. Yeah, I'm good.
I didn't even do anything, bro. I didn't even do anything.
600, which call was that?
No one told you to stand.
Signal 80 on.
Hey, I'm telling you, I'm gonna get hit.
You relax. Get him.
Do something. Me. Do
Now
something
you're
else.
gonna charge with that, Leo. All right. Now you're gonna sit up. Bring your knees to your chest and sit up. On the count of 3, you're gonna stand up. 1, 2, 3, stand
I
up.
need my phone, bro.
Alright.
I need my phone. Yes, I need my phone.
Let me grab it for you. You need to go with it.
Yo, bro, remind me of when I was like 24-ish, like 24. Yeah, like 24, 25, somewhere around there. I used to be yoked, boy. Yoked up. Yeah, like, boy. Yo, my boy right here, he eating all spinach and broccoli and chicken, and that's it. This dude just lifting weights all day. That's how I used to be. Man, I wish I could find a photo. I gotta find a photo, man. I gotta, whatever, man. But this is, yo, when I was like 24, like 24 in that range, you couldn't tell me nothing. Now, you know, I'm a lot bigger, and you know what I'm saying? But when I was in my prime, boy, I gotta hit the gym right after this. I ain't gonna lie, this shit got me back motivated. I'm trying to, what? My boy yoked up like this. What? Okay, watch.
I need my phone. Yes, I need my phone.
Let me grab it for you. You need to go with it.
The woman was charged with battery on law enforcement and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching today's video. If you
Crazy, man. Crazy stuff, man. Anyway, I think the cops did a pretty good job. They get a 4 out of 5 from me. They tried to do their best, you know, got both sides of the story and all that good stuff. So it is what it is, man. So anyway, let me know in the comment section how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.